What's up guys, Mr. Yates here. Today I want to take a look at finding the area of this shape behind me right here. Now we've been doing an awesome job of finding the area of different rectangles, but now we're going to take a look at something that's going to be a little bit different. So I can see that this shape is already kind of blocked up into my square units. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 square units, and then I see these two triangles on the outside. And one thing I noticed about the triangle, I just kind of used my imagination to do this, is I feel like if I stacked one triangle on top of the other triangle, it would make a complete square. So if I'm thinking about that in math terms or in fraction terms, I know that if two pieces make one whole, then that must mean that each piece is 1/2. So I'm going to go ahead and label this as 1/2. I'm going to label this triangle as 1/2. So now if I'm going to count my unit squares, I know that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I have 4.5, 5. So if I'm counting that, I know that I have 5 square units. Now, one other way I could look at this, if kind of counting by halves gets a little tricky, is because I have the marker, or if you want to draw the shape at home when you're working on something like this, is I can take this triangle right here, and I'm going to swing it around, and I'm actually going to stack it on top of that, so visually I can see my 5 square units. So I'm just going to erase this guy right here, and I'm going to redraw him back over here. So now when I look at this, I can clearly see my 1, 2, 3, 4 units in the middle, and then instead of my 2 triangles, I stack them together to make one whole unit. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 square units. Awesome.